DJ, there's no way. What's up, guys? My name is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So I didn't do my intro, so here's my intro of me getting new wheels for the truck. So these are Akron off-road. They are 26 by 14s. The tires that we're getting are 13.5. So it's gonna be a little tight, but it'll buff out. So, but yeah, so we're gonna go get those on in this video. Obviously, right now it's done. So enjoy me getting new wheels for the truck. I'm gonna watch you put it on. DJ, there's no way. TJ. That was too close for comfort. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Nothing too crazy, just getting the wheels on. So huge shout out to Akron for the wheels. I am super pumped to start the truck build, kinda. But I love them. I rub, but nothing too crazy. It mainly hits just the front plastic lip, so we're good. I am on a 6-inch lift, and I just put a leveling kit on the truck last night, so We'll be fine, okay? It'll be fine. I absolutely love it, so it doesn't really matter what anyone thinks, because I know a lot of people aren't going to be a fan of these wheels, and that is totally okay. It's what I like, so yeah. But anyways, make sure you guys follow me on all platforms at Reckless.Raquel, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, all the things are Reckless.Raquel. So yeah, make sure you subscribe too. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.